Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and today's video, I will teach you how to block numbers on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to phone application on your itel S15 mobile phone. Here in phone, okay, go to 3 dot on the upper right side on your screen, okay, tap this, and you can see on the pop-up the block numbers, okay, tap this. Here in block numbers, okay, you can see the block list is empty. To add block numbers, okay, you'll have to do is tap the 3 dot on the right side on your screen, and the pop-up are show again, and tap the add button, and now you can enter the name of your number you want to block. So for my example, Chad, the name, and now you can add the phone number by tap the phone number here and add the number. Okay guys, this is example only. And okay guys, after you enter the name and the number you want to block, that okay, you can block into message or call. So okay guys, to block this number to message or call, you'll have to do is tap the circle button on the right side. So okay guys, for my example, I block this number on message. So I tap the circle button on the right side to block the number on message. And also you can block this number on call by tap the circle button on the right side. And after you set the name, the number via message and call, you'll have to do is tap the OK button to save. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully blocked this number on your itel S15 mobile phone. So to unblock this number, you'll have to do is press and hold, and the pop-up are show, and you can see the remove button. Tap the remove to remove the blacklist. The number will be deleted. Okay, tap OK button on the pop-up, and that's it. The number is unblocked. And okay guys, that's it. Okay, we have successfully unblocked and blocked numbers on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.